What's the deal? What's the deal? You know the deal. It's Wednesday over here. Mr. Legit. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But today we're going to be out here on the river. Got my brother-in-law, my sister, my dad, some family. But we're going to be going having some fun. So, yeah, let's go get started with the video. Gets off the boat, man, that was a struggle to get down here off the launch. There was police down there, the sheriff was down there. It was just super packed. But yeah, we're up here by Mount, actually if you look in the corner, you can see Mount Hood way over there in the corner. Maybe I'll pop the drone up there and get a cool shot of that. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys go boating or whatever, you guys fish or whatever you guys do. Does the boat launch get super slammed where you guys are at? Because where we're at, it's always just bad. All right, guys, let's get into the topic. What are we going to talk about today? You know what? I have a lot of people asking me what I use for products, and I think that's just a good topic to figure it out. Let's talk about products, what we use, what kind of products we use, systems, and all that stuff. So I think I've used every single product except for Dimitri. If you're watching, it sounds like you guys got Atlas going on or whatever. They don't even sell Atlas in Portland. So it's just kind of interesting to see other guys have the Atlas shingle out there. Or BP2, I think, is a new one, or I'm not really too familiar with it. Our leaders in the Portland area are Owens Corning, GAF, Certainty. Those are the three top. And then you have Malarkey, Papco, Ico, and really that's about it. That's what we have over here. Now, when I first started out, I was using GAF. Really loved GAF and GAF, the System Plus warranty, and it was just kind of hard for me to get the top level. And with Owens Corning, it was just a little bit easier, and I found that Owens Corning just matched my business model a little bit better than any of the rest of them. So I think that they're all great shingles. For me, Owens Corning works a little bit better. We are a platinum installer. If you guys don't know what platinum installer is, look it up in your area. Try to become a platinum or figure it out. Talk to the territory manager and really figure out, you know, what it takes, because I think it could really help out anybody's business. Either way, you guys should get certified with Owens Corning, GAF, Certainty. I don't even know if Malarkey has it, but I know the three leaders in the industry: GAF, Owens Corning, and Certainty. All right, let's go ahead and get straight into warranties. What warranty we offer as a Owens Corning Platinum contractor is the Platinum warranty. It's a 50-year non-prorated on the products and the labor to do it. So that's pretty simple, right? The products and the labor. But here's where the kicker is for the Platinum warranty, is the workmanship. And a lot of people really get that confused with labor to put the shingles on. So basically what workmanship is if we fail, so let's say one of our guys just installed the job incorrectly, he wasn't thinking or had a bad day, didn't care, and just destroyed the roof on workmanship and the products were good, they'd still be covered on a Platinum warranty. Now they have a step down, so they have three different warranties, but Platinum is the one we choose. We always put it on. That's all we do. You know, basically if they don't want it, they're not our customer. So it's kind of one of those things where I've talked about it multiple times. You know, should we drop down to be with the other guys? But I don't know. I think that, you know, if you're a Platinum contractor, just put on the Platinum roofs. So let's talk about accessories. Now, what do we use? So again, we use Owens Corning, but for the ridge cap, we use Deco Ridge. It's the nice high profile ridge. And it's kind of all these accessories we use are a staple. When you just drive by, you know it's a legit roof. So we do use the Owens Corning Duration for the ridge cap. We use the 4-foot vent shore exhaust for the exhaust, and then if they need it, we do cut in the intake ventilation It's 4-foot sections. And we do the starter strip and the deck defense. So Weatherlock G, so we have ridge cap, the deco ridge, bent short exhaust, bent short intake, the starter strip, deck defense, and Weatherlock G. We have 6 of them, we use 6 of them. Unless you don't need the intake ventilation, and some people don't really want the ice and water shield or the Weatherlock G. So either way, you only need 4 to get the platinum warranty, so you have to install at least 4 accessories. It is a little bit more money, but the warranty is just worth the buck and it makes you stand out from the crowd. Let me know in the comments what you guys use for shingles, and I just want to see, what you guys think about GAF, Owens Corning. Do you guys like them, dislike them? Do you like the warranties? Do you think that, do you think it's a bad idea? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. All right, so speaking of comments, I'm gonna go ahead and wait till we get back to the office to read all the comments. It is a couple days early, because we just dropped the video yesterday on the skylight reflashing. If you guys haven't seen that one, make sure to check it out. So let's go ahead and get back to the office. All right guys, now I'm back to the office, and I don't know about you guys, but after camping trip, I get super tired. But nonetheless, I'm here, and let's read some comments. So Irving XG said, what kind of pouch is that? I've been looking for one with big pockets like yours. I found my pouch at over here we have Par Lumber, but it's a lumber store where you can get pouches, and they have a lot of tools and everything like that. So I didn't go to Home Depot. You might have to go to your lumber store or someplace where there's framers if you're looking for big pouches like that. I've had it for probably 15 years, so honestly I don't really know what kind of pouch it is. Thomas Velasquez, Raiders, no man, boo, get out of here. But he said, awesome video, great attention to detail, way to explain everything to the T, what's the deal? And then this guy, Jonathan Asgara, sorry if I butchered your name, man. Next month, I complete 4 years as a roofer, congratulations on that. I started getting paid by the square 2 years ago. I definitely love your videos and work, man. I also learned a couple new things from watching your videos. Keep them coming, brother. Respect from California. Roofer Smokey, you know what the deal is, man. Hey, thanks a lot. Appreciate the comment. I haven't even seen it. I just now read it. Gave you a little heart. What's this guy? This Eric Nesmith, did anybody else notice where he was able to lift the bottom of the course shingles extremely easy? Didn't look like he had nailed the starter strip with 2 inch of the eave. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. And next time you guys find something that you don't like in the video, put a timestamp so I can see, because I'm not gonna rewatch the whole video. I've watched enough of my videos. I spent enough time looking at them and filming them to rewatch a video. So I wish you would just, so Eric Nesmith, just leave a timestamp if you see that. Back on the curb mounted V-Lux skylight, Tyler Taylor said, or you could just solder your skylight saddles like a professional would. I would rather do than caulking corners. I mean, a professional, dude, I'm a professional, but you can spend the money to have somebody out and solder it, but that just takes so much time. We could do it too, it just takes a lot of time, and the customers, dude, they're not gonna pay for all that stuff, you know what I mean? So honestly, we don't have problems with soldering or with caulking it. I've never had a problem at all, and I've worked at a repair company for a couple years here, one of the larger roofing companies, and we got calls all the time for skylights, and it wasn't because people weren't soldering it. So yeah, I never I haven't seen much repairs for here. Might be different for you though, but for the Portland metropolitan area, I've never came across one solder job. So not to say it's not good, it's probably awesome. Nice work, says Coast Alley. Thanks a lot. And great video. Props for sharing the inspection and being honest by Way Lamb. Hey, no problem. I'll heart that. I didn't see that one. So yeah, man, there's a bunch. I could sit here, and read them all, but those are just kind of the ones that stood out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got a cool little video. We got some videos coming up that we've been shooting in the last week, but we're just editing them out. And as promised, I'll be giving you guys the What's the Deal Wednesday. So you guys have a good one. Peace.